Today I have a very highly requested video, which is where I'm going to show you my Wacom tablet and give you my honest review and rundown of the Wacom One Splash. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to supply some links to old Satori graphics videos that are based around Wacom tablets, as well as give you guys the rundown on what's going to be uploaded on this channel this week here at Satori Graphics. So I've had the Wacom Splash One tablet for quite a while, 2 years in fact, and you're even going to see a few scuffs on my Wacom tablet. But right off the bat, I'm going to say that the Wacom Splash One tablet is one of the most basic models of any Wacom tablet out there, but for me that's just fine. If you're a professional digital artist or illustrator, you might want to look into more of the advanced tablets, but for me, the Wacom Splash One tablet is ideal, because it bridges the gap between developing logo designs on paper and then refining them digitally in Adobe Illustrator. It's also really handy for digital hand lettering. There's a link in the description below if you want to get your own Wacom Splash One tablet, and actually I've given 2 of these away on my channel for free, but yeah, you can grab one via the affiliate link in the description below if you're interested. So let's take a look at what's inside the box when you purchase the Wacom Splash One tablet. So of course you have the actual tablet itself, which is very lightweight and thin. The texture of the drawing pad is remarkably smooth. There is also the USB cable for you to hook up to your laptop or your computer, and there is a CD that comes with it. However, if you're like me and use a laptop with no CD drive, you can download the drivers via the link in the description below without the use of the CD, which is pretty much what I did. Lastly, the Wacom Pen, which again is very lightweight and it fits nicely into the hand. I found that when I draw with the Wacom Splash One tablet, there isn't a whole lot of difference in feeling to that of drawing on paper, and they've managed to make the crossover quite effortlessly. So after you've installed the drivers with the CD or the download, you can hook it up to your device, which is pretty self-explanatory. I have a tutorial on how to set up brushes for things like hand lettering in Adobe Illustrator, which I will link at the end of this video if you want to check that out. But once you've selected your brushes and have located the brush tool, you can then start to draw on the pad, which will draw into Adobe Illustrator as a vector design. And like I said, the smoothness of the pen on the Wacom Splash One tablet is very smooth indeed. There's a button on the Wacom Pen here, and if you press this whilst drawing in Illustrator, you can click and drag to navigate around the screen, which is a great addition I find. So in closing, I find this Wacom Splash One tablet be very ideal for someone who's just getting involved in graphic design, but also for professional logo designers and also people who enjoy hand lettering like myself. Like I said, this tablet isn't too advanced and it's not too intricate, but it does the job. It's heavy duty, as you can see I have a few scuffs on my tablet, and it still works perfectly fine. At a low price of around $60 or $70, it's not that expensive, and it will supply lots of fun and lots of opportunity in your graphic design workflow. So let me know what you think about the Wacom One Splash tablet, and if you have one yourself. Remember to drop a like and a comment on this video, and also share it to somebody else if you do find it useful. Subscribe to Satori Graphics for weekly graphic design content just like this video. And until next time, design your future today. Peace.